yes on yes.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, hello boys and girls, welcome back to the Hustle Garage channel. Welcome back to a new video. How's everyone going? Hope everyone is safe, hope everyone is good. So we got a pretty interesting day today. If you guys watched the last video of me updating you guys on the channel and on the car, you guys might have heard that I bought a carbon part. Yes, I bought a carbon part. It's nothing big, but it is my first carbon part and I am so excited to put it on because this is probably going to be the start of my carbon addiction. So excited to put this on and actually have a look at it because it's still in the box. I have not opened the box to see what it looks like. Not sure if it's damaged, not sure if it's, yeah, I'm not sure if I have to return it or if it's damaged or anything like that. So I guess I'll go grab the box and show you guys what I got and who it is from and show you guys what it looks like and show you guys what the carbon looks like. Alright, let's go, let's do this. Alright, so I got this from Alliance Carbon. You guys can see Alliance Carbon. Yeah, so I got this from Alliance Carbon in Florida. I'm pretty sure that's where they are. Yeah, this actually came really fast because I got these on Black Friday and I got them probably like 3 weeks later, which is really fast because overseas shipping plus COVID and everything like that. So I was expecting these to arrive in like a month or so or like longer than a month, but it came really fast. I was actually really surprised. Let's see what these look like. Pretty sure they're in here. I'll wait to open that. So in the box there's Alliance Carbon sticker, which is actually really nice. I might put that on the side window. And there's 3M sticky stuff. Let's have a look at this. Oof, okay. I see. Is there any cracks or anything? Is everything safe? Alright, so I got carbon fiber mirror caps for the 370Z. Yes, it's not like a carbon fiber hood or carbon fiber fenders or ducktail or spoiler or anything like that, but I have to say I'm super happy that this is my first carbon mod. I'll show you guys the quality of the carbon from Alliance Carbon. If you guys are ready to see this carbon fiber, smash that like button and that subscribe button as well. Alright, check this out. How beautiful is that? Woo! Literally carbon fiber porn right here. The quality of the carbon fiber, I just love looking at it. It's so nice. Shout out to Alliance Carbon. If you guys haven't checked these guys out, man, you guys are missing out on some carbon fiber parts because these guys do it so well. I'm so happy I went with Alliance Carbon. I'm so happy. We're not working with each other. I'm not sponsored or anything. But if Alliance Carbon wants to work with your boy, then hit me up. So I'm gonna have a kind of test fit to see how it actually looks on the car. Let's have a look. Oh, look at that fitment. Oh, yes, that's literally perfect fitment. Oh my gosh. Cannot wait to put these on. I'm gonna stop wasting time, prep these. I'm just gonna wipe them down and like clean them till it's really smooth and just clean them and then I'll chuck on all the 3M double-sided tape, I'm pretty sure it is. Alright, so I have no isopropyl, is that how you say it? The alcohol rubbing agent surface thingy before you stick anything on. I just went with some like car wash soap thing. Just give it a little rub down, and so it's got a good clean surface for the 3M tape to stick on. Alright, so that's all nice and clean, I'm pretty sure. It's all smooth and everything. There's kind of like etching on these. I'm not sure if you're supposed to trim them. Let's start this. If I stuff it up, stuff it up. Alright, so my GoPro died, but when it was charging, I went ahead and did both of the caps. Yeah, I don't know if this is how you do it, but I mean, I reckon it will stick. So if it sticks, then it works. Alright, let's finally get these on, and let's finally have the first carbon part. Alright, so peeled off all the backing of the tape. Now let's see if I could put this on perfectly without stuffing this up. Alright, so the mirror caps are on. Well, the driver's side mirror cap is on. And it looks so good! It changes the whole look of the car. I'm so satisfied right now. Comment down below what carbon part your car has and which one is your favorite, if you have a favorite. Alright, I just have to do the other side, then I'll park it outside and show you guys what it looks like. How about before I show you guys when both of them are done? This is what it looks like before without the mirror caps. And so it's just the stock color of the car. That's pretty much it. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna do that side and I'll park it out, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. So both of them are on. Both of them are looking so good. I kind of messed up on the passenger side, on the left side. It still looks so freaking good. Look at that, it's so nice. Oh. I'm loving carbon. I'll show you guys what it looks like in the sun. When the sun hits carbon, oh, it's gonna be lovely. I'm not sure if I've given you guys a cold start. I don't think I have, but here we go. This might be a cold-ish, warmish start, but let's go. car is outside, I'll show you guys what the carbon looks like. Whew, it is hot. Alright. Oh, how good does the carbon look? It looks so good. I've said this so many times, but yeah, I'm just so happy. Thank you so much to Alliance Carbon for easy shipping, good customer service, good products. I'm so happy with your products. Yeah, if you guys want to work together, then hit your boy up. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and enjoy the freaking carbon. As you guys can see, I'm so happy. I'm thrilled. I'm so thrilled. This might be the start of my carbon addiction. And if you guys got any carbon parts on your car, put it down in the comments below what your favorite carbon part is. What type of carbon is your favorite? You know, like forged carbon, honeycomb carbon, your normal traditional carbon. Yeah, let me know which one is your favorite. Let me know if you guys like the look of these mirror caps. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys liked the kind of install video. And if you guys haven't already, smash that subscribe button down below and that like button down below as well while you're there, and so you guys can see more content when it comes out. As always, I appreciate your support. I really do appreciate it. It means so much to me. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.